Hey guys, welcome back. It is the options weekly trades. So let's go through them real quick. There's a bunch going on. There's a lot going on this week and probably next week. I was assigned a bunch of shares, so a lot of these contracts expired worthless, but I own the shares now. So we'll talk about that as we go through, and we'll look at what earnings are coming up for this week and see if any of those things pertain to you. But first off, let's look at the closes. So we're starting, this is the week of July 11th through the 15th. So on the 13th, we closed our Camping World put for 95 cents. That was a total profit. It was a 25 strike, and we closed it for $84 in profit over the 47 days. I'm going to probably sell another one here shortly. Dutch Bros, I had 35 strike contracts on Dutch Bros. I decided to close those out, closed them for $4.40, so profited $304 there in 19 days. SOXL had these are going to be the SOXLs are going to be opened and closed in the same week, so you'll see on July 11th, I opened one at a $12.50 strike, at a 12 strike, at an 11 strike for $50, $63, and $61 respectively, and I closed them all at the same time for $4, $27, and $36 for a total profit of a little over $100 there in 3 days. Now we get into Friday. Intel was assigned to me 100 shares at $42.50. So this contract of $133 expires and I get to keep all that premium. Ford, same thing, assigned at $13. Premium of $55 expires worthless and I get to keep the $55. Carnival Cruise Lines assigned $12.50. $75 premium realized there. MPW, that's the Medical Properties REIT, assigned at $16. That was 200 shares there. So the $60 of profit gets cleared there. Amazon put, I had a 100 strike Amazon put, closed that out for 12 cents, made $81 there in 42 days. Assigned in on Altria at a 46 strike. I even have a 47 strike as well, but they assigned the 46 one first. This was early assignment, but we kept the $80 there in the premium and were assigned 100 shares at $46. And then QQQJ, I had a covered call out at $24 strike. This was opened and closed in the same week as well. So a 3-day hold. That expired worthless. We kept the $25 there. And last but not least, I have a Go EV. This is the EV company called Canoe. They had a kind of a purchase agreement, sort of loose purchase agreement with Walmart to purchase some EV vehicles from them. I don't suspect this company to make it, but I went ahead and bought a leap, a $5 strike, paid $2.30 for it, and I sold it like 15 minutes later for $2.45. So profited almost $14 there in a matter of 20 minutes or something like that. So that's it for the closes. Let's look at the openings. So we'll go down here to 7-Eleven, and those were the 3 SOXLs that were open and closed in the same week. And there was that QQQJ that was also open and closed in the same week. Covered call on Carnival Cruise. I pre-sold these because I wasn't assigned these shares just yet, but I knew it was coming. Got $24 for a $12.50 strike out to August 26th. And then I sold a put down at $7.50, same August 26th date. Got $55 for that one. Kohls. Looked at Kohls. I think it's a little overdone. You know, I know they've been trying to make deals to sell the business. I think it's a little bit overdone. So we did a 25 strike, got 53 bucks, and that was only like a 2-week hold, something like that. Dutch Bros, remember I had the 35 strikes. I went down and I'd put on one single 25 strike. Dutch Bros put, got 90 bucks for it. And there's that Go EV call that we opened and closed in the same week. Now, someone asked me what my thought process is for when I choose to sell a cash secured put, and I'm going to choose kohls for this week, and I'm going to go run through the thought process. Okay, so I already gave you a hint there. Kohls was getting a little bit beat up. Everybody's pessimistic on retail. Kohls has dropped tremendously from its highs not too long ago, just earlier this year. It was a $65 stock. And that's not the only reason to be, selling something cash secured put on it. But, there were companies willing to pay $60 a share for this company. And kohls kind of dragged their feet. And probably a bad decision on their part. But they got punished with the rate hikes and, the quote unquote recession looming. So they've been punished for it. PE under 5, trailing 12-month. I think the forward PE is just a little bit higher. It does pay a 7% yield. And why I chose the 25 strike is because it's sitting on support right here at 28. And if we go a little further out, it was probably a little bit risky, because if we go to 500-day average, the support level is down here at 21. I think that's just a little too much, though. So, I kind of split the difference. I said, okay, $25 range right down here is probably a good spot for me, and I'm comfortable with that. Then I went and looked. Earnings isn't until August 17th, so we couldn't have too much more bad news. Kohls, I think, is a quality business. They make money. And I think they're being punished a little bit more than they deserve. So when I went to go look for a put to put on, I saw kohls there, and I figured this is a 2-week expiration for 53 bucks, 25 strikes. So that means it would have, had to have fallen a lot more than it already had. And I just didn't expect it to. So I don't know if you call it a coin flip or whatever, but I'm still in the contract, though. It's in profit. I probably close it here pretty soon, but that is my thought process on putting on a kohls put. So let's take a look real quick at the premium cooking. Now on here, I missed a little something, and I'll share that with you here in a second. So we closed down 13 positions, opened up 9. Profit realized $1,011.81. That includes those assigned shares as well, because technically those contracts expired worthless. Premium sold only $360.92. Total premium cooking, $7,306.26. I am looking to increase that because most of most of that is in ARC K. So I have $6,430 in premium tied up in ARC K. So I really need to fill out at least August and have some premium cooking out here. So maintenance margin, $28,000. Buying power usage, 25.95. So a lot lower historically than I have been in a while. No deposits, no withdrawals. Net liquidation, 107,900. Return on maintenance margin at 3%. Return on net lick at 0.93%. Now, the thing I missed was I forgot to get my screenshots of the week prior on the indexes. So, I mean, it's not a big deal. But for the week or year to date, my personal portfolio, we started the year with 123,100. Final value as of Friday is 107,900 for a 12.34% decrease year to date. And I'm fairly happy with that. So what's the week looking like? Well, big time earnings are coming up. We really need to be careful. If you play earnings, more power to you. But I typically skip earnings. I wait until after the company has reported earnings and let the market decide which way they're going to go with it. And then I'll decide to get in it or not. But yeah, big hitters reporting earnings this week. Tesla, Johnson & Johnson, Bank of America. Some of these have probably already have reported. Verizon, Novartis, Abbott Labs, Next Area Energy, AT&T, Philip Morris, IBM, Union Pacific Railroad. I mean, some pretty big hitters. All these are, over $100 billion market cap. So, and it's all coming this week. So it'll be interesting to see how some of these play out. Me personally, I have some Bank of America shares. I have some T shares, and the other one that will stick out to me is this Philip Morris one, because I own, I was early assigned those Altria shares. So that could be a telltale of what I could expect from my Altria shares. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys have a great week. We'll see you back here next time, or down below, if you would support the channel. I would appreciate that. Links below, Amazon link, all that good stuff. Also the link to the live stream channel that we do every Sunday. It's not necessarily just options or just investing. We're just having fun. And I think, after 5 days of investing talk, that a relaxing, couple of hours just having fun and laughs is a great way to end the week, or basically start the week, because it's on a Sunday night. So hope you guys enjoy. Join us there if you can. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.